Where are you going?
Come on.
Whoa! Where'd the ball go? Get your ball.
Go get your ball.
You want back up? Come on. Oh,
Go get your ball.
All right, Tempe. Very good. Come on. All right, let's go. Oh.
Come on. Get up. Ah, come on. What was that?
Where are we going? We're going to go to the kitchen now?
This one. It's perfect.
Oh, you dropped your ball. Get your ball.
She wants the fuzz.
Get your ball.
Get your ball, Tempe.
Oh.
No, you want the fuzz.
You want the fuzz on the floor.
Alright, now we've got the fuzz.
Oh.
Oh. Tempe. What are you doing?
You getting tired of walking, baby girl?
She's getting distracted. She wants to do something in here. She doesn't know what it is.
Oh, get the fuzz out of her mouth.
Can I have it?
Alright.
Come on. Come here. Let's go. You goober. Come on. Here, back to the way we were. Let's go. Onward, baby.
Tempe.
I don't think so.
Onward, baby. Onward.
Where you going, Tempe? You going to the bath? It is bath time.
Oh, that's a good idea,
10
Daddy.
minutes to 6.
Daddy's got such good ideas.
Hold on, let me get in front of you, so you only got a couple minutes left.
Uh-oh. Only a couple minutes. That means only a couple seconds. Alright, Tempe, let's go walk ourselves to the bathroom. Get Daddy.
Oh no!
Oh my God. Daddy. Ah!
Bye, Tempe.